everybody. Today we are going to help us. So, you know who are our helpers? Who help us in everything. So, let's start. Looking at us. Ta-da! Who is this? Mr. Driver. He drives the car, and there are different types of drivers. Some cab drivers, some car drivers, some bicycle. Even when I'm driving the bike, I'm also a driver. So tell it to your friends also. So drivers are also can drive any people. If you want to go to a place like if I want to go to my Nana and Nanny's house, where I have to go to, Mr. Driver, he can drive me in the car or cab. So
very good. Go to next.
So ta-da! Here is Mr. Policeman. So, do you know what Mr. Policeman does? He can
Protect us.
protect us from any thief. Also, if any thief has stolen anything, where you have to go to? Mr. Police station, and you will meet a policeman.
Yes.
So you can tell him if any thief has got anything of yours, your things.
Very good.
So now next is Mr. Painter. So Painter. So painter does paintings. Paints the wall. Next is Mr. Traffic policeman. You know what a policeman does? He can signal the colors of the lights.
Yes.
Stop. Attention.
Go.
Go.
Yes.
And blue light means get ready. So, the red light is it's red light. You have to stop. It's yellow. It will attention.
Yes.
It will be green. It will be go.
Yes.
It will be blue light. You have to get ready.
Yes.
So let's go to next. Next is Mr. Musician or Miss Music. So musician does sing music. Even when I sing music, even then I'm also a musician.
Yes.
MUSICIAN, musician. Like I'll sing a song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next, I want you sing with me. So Taylor does stitches our clothes and stitches new clothes and even mends it.
Yes.
So after this, let's go to next. Kadabra. Here comes Mr. Fireman. What does Mr. Fireman does? Thinking. Idea. So it is. He puts out fires and even after that, he rescues people who are stuck in the building. He puts out a fire in every building. You can, whenever there's a fire in your house, call Mr. Fireman. He's at a fire station.
Fireman or firewoman?
Fireman or firewoman. Now let's go to the next number. So Mr. he takes care of all the water things like tap and
Pipes, water,
pipes, water, and even not
anything, bathroom and kitchen.
but anything, bathroom and kitchen water.
Yes.
So always say water.
Yes.
So scientist.
Mm.
SCIENTIS. Some vaccine of kitties and also makes designs new. He makes new things.
Yeah.
Miss Scientist or Mr. Scientist.
Mm.
It can be like a lady or like a man or men. So now let's go to the next. Now parcel delivery or mailman. So parcel delivery of
Show it.
mailman does is if you order some book, he'll get it,
Deliver to you.
deliver it to you, and you can read that book. Mr. Nas
Mm-hmm.
can be or an uncle or a lady.
Yes.
It can be both types. So nurse does helps doctor or
Patience.
patients and gets the medicines
Yes.
or anything doctor will call for the
Yes.
nurse. Let's go to the next. Ta-da! Mr. Grosser. Issue can sometimes help you and also
Make your bill for the
Make your-
grocery.
for make your bill and also do many other things.
Yes. Next.
Next, a farmer. Ta-da! Abracadabra, Mr. Farmer. So, farmer takes care of the animals and even does the
Grow our food.
grow our food like vegetables, fruits, and many
Grains.
other.
Yes. Next.
Next, ta-da! Mr. Vet Doctor. If your pet is sick, you want to go to the doctor. That's for the human doctor.
The animal doctor is called?
Animal doctor is called vet doctor. VETDOCTOR. Vet doctor. Not WET. It's a vet something which is gone on the shirt
Mm-hmm.
or anything or on the floor.
Yes.
Let's start. So builder does building the offices, homes, and many other.
Yes. All the buildings.
All the buildings.
School, hospitals,
School, hospital, and office.
shopping malls.
Shopping malls.
Okay. Go to next.
Okay, let's go to next. Let's got pilot. Just what we were talking about earlier.
What is a pilot drives?
So, pilot is not an cab driver or it's not.
What does he drives?
He drives the plane.
Yes.
PILOT. PILOT. Surprise! Trash collector. He collects Miss Trash Collector or Mr. Trash Collector. They both collect trash in the neighborhood, even throw them.
Yes.
any naughty kitty throws trash in neighborhood, you can collect it.
And they put it for recycling, right?
They put it for recycling. This is otter. A-U-T-H-O-R. Otter. It is otter. What is otter? Where does otter live? I don't know.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Anywhere, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Whoever writes the book.
Now we have librarian. 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 Whoa, that's a long name. So, librarian writes the book.
No, he helps you find the books in the
He helps
library.
you find the book in library. That is right. Watchman. Security guard or watchman does. He's awake all night and sure no thieves are coming and entering into our house.
Who is next?
Let's pick a It's Baker. Mr. Baker. You know what Mr. Baker does? If you want some yummy cake or some cupcakes, you can go to him.
Yes, cookies too.
Cookies too. Barber or hairdresser. Barber or hairdresser does is cut your hair. Like this. Now let's go to the next. So mechanic does fix your car or bicycle or anything else. Or scooter, anything else which works
Blender.
on
Yeah.
blender,
Fridge.
fridge, and many other.
Yes. Next.
Next. Now next is teacher. She teaches everyone things.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and even maths. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Very good.
All these kind of maths and English.
Rhymes. Yeah.
Rhymes.
Painting. Next.
Some rhymes. Now next is zookeeper. I know the spelling of zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo.
Yes.
Just like their last letter.
Okay.
So, next is, zookeeper takes care of the animals in the zoo.
Yes. Next.
Let's go to the next. The last is gardener. Gardener takes care of the plants and even makes the garden fresh and green.
Yes.
Many other helpers, family, friends, and parents. They are also kind of helpers. So don't forget to respect your family and helpers. And
Always be
always be
thankful.
thankful. Be thankful to everybody and be thankful. Bye-bye.